welcome back to the channel. We're hiking with Crave the Planet, Crave the Earth, Morgan, and doing a little intro. We're on the TMB, just half of the TMB, and then we are hanging out in Italy for a day and then taking the bus back. So here's some TMB views, and let's see how the trip goes. Here we go. Beautiful so far. Say hi, Morgan.
Hi. So glad to be on trail.
No
more luggage. No more finding keys.
Yeah, keys are important.
Only this.
And just look how beautiful that is.
Stunning. I know.
I mean, it would suck to roll down that thing, but...
Yes. But on this trail, nothing's really too edgy.
No, except we gotta go up some chains, but oh well. Whoa. All right, first stop, well, first major stop in this valley. But look at that beautiful glacier. There's one in the middle right there, and then there's one moving left to right. Beautiful mountain valley. Used to be a glacier down here apparently, but it's melted, so that sucks. Here you come. Surviving and thriving.
Chugging and chugging like the train that could.
Next stop is the saddle. What's the place we're going to? Tricot? And then some Mirage.
For lunch, something like that.
Yeah, again, blows my mind. As a Rocky Mountain climber, I'm carrying everything, but here there's just too much food on the mountain.
Oh, so
Not a bad
sad.
problem to have.
Yeah, I know, it's really terrible.
Everybody been keeping track of the mileage? 2 miles, 3 miles? 2.22. It's gorgeous though.
3.5K.
We've also heard a rock fall already. We're taking the shortcut, which is more elevation,
No, I think overall it's gonna
but,
be
sorry, more grade, but shorter distance, because like, look at homegirl right there, she's taking the long way.
Because they go up,
Yeah.
come back to the same place we go.
Shortcut for the win. All right, what next stop is Tricot, right?
Yeah, the saddle up there, the pole.
All right, made it to the top of Tricot, 2,100 meters. And then we're going down there. Not a bad view though. It's only, what'd you say, 1,400 meters down? And then we're heading over that ridge to the other side. You ready for that?
I'm ready for anything, baby.
All right, we made it down the hill. Dang. Down there. And then we're now back in the valley. I mean, as beautiful as it gets, the alpine cows, the glacial waterfalls. Now it's time for late lunch. All right, we're done with lunch. I had a cheese sandwich with blueberry pie. What'd you have?
Blueberry pie was amazing! That blueberry pie.
Yeah, great. Like mountain blueberries too. And not a bad view either. We're going up that way to the top. And then just, what did we say, another 3 hours of going, 3.5 maybe?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Picture of you right here. That behind you. Are you up for it? Yeah, I'll do it.
Quick photo.
Okay, quick quick photo.
Scoop me, scoop me.
Are you ready?
All right, we made it to the top.
Oh, yes.
We think about, what do we say? 200 or 300 meter vertical. And again, beautiful views. But now it's field time. And the cows.
You can see all the way down.
Made it to Pontet. Great room. And we have our own bathroom inside the 4-room cabin, which love a good shower. Tomorrow we're going straight up to Boheme Refuge. Oh, straight up, like 3,000 feet, 1,200 meters. It's gonna suck. All right, see you tomorrow.